When the Steam Deck launched, PC gaming actually felt affordable. But those days are gone. Handheld prices have completely skyrocketed, but PC gaming doesn't have to be so damn expensive. Thanks to recent developments in software and translation layers, budget-friendly Android handhelds are completely rewriting the rules. Between the sub-$300 Retroid Pocket 6 and Odin 2 Portal, and premium powerhouses like the AYN Odin 3, these devices are pushing high-end PC emulation in a way that is changing how we play for good. I'll mostly talk about Pocket 6 here, but I'll also include alternatives that may be better for your playstyle. Pocket 6 is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the same chip powering the most well-rounded Android handhelds on the market. You've got choices of 8 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM. If you're just playing lighter Switch and Windows games, streaming, or sticking to PS2 and GameCube, the 8 GB model is your best friend. But if you can afford a little more, then you should definitely consider the 12 GB model. It will also let you experiment with Xbox and PS3 emulations. The ergonomics of the Retroid Pocket 6 hit that perfect sweet spot. Small enough to toss in a bag, but big enough that your hands won't cramp up. Plus, we've got full, proper triggers with actual travel. It feels like the Switch Lite I always wanted, but with premium face buttons, an open ecosystem, and the ability to choose whether you want the D-pad or the joystick on top. It comes with a 5.5-inch AMOLED display, and it is the single biggest reason I can't use devices with IPS panels anymore. The pixel density is really good. Everything is insanely sharp. Blacks are pure inky black, and the colors just explode off the screen. Older retro games look better than ever, and modern indies look flawless. It gets bright enough for the park and dim enough that you won't blind yourself in bed. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, retro emulations are a breeze. Even Switch runs fantastically with minimal tweaking. Using tools like Game Native or Banner Hub, you can run PC games on it. I'm talking Hades, Dave the Diver, and even Sleeping Dogs and Batman Arkham on a $279 device. Everything up to Witcher-era games run great. You need to run them with mid or lower settings at 720p, and if you are mostly going to run PC games, then I highly recommend that you get the 12 GB RAM model. If you're willing to spend a little extra, you have to look at the AYN Odin 3. It's a little more expensive, but it is an absolute PC and high-end emulation guru. Then there's the older Odin 2 Portal in the same budget as the Pocket 6. It's a little bigger but delivers incredible performance on a massive display. And if you want pure retro emulation, the upcoming Retroid Pocket Nova is a little cheaper, slightly smaller, and will have a 4:3 screen that is perfect for retro games. But for $279, the Pocket 6 sits in the absolute sweet spot right in the middle of all three. It's not going to replace a powerhouse full-sized PC handheld. But at a time when gaming devices are getting bigger, heavier, and wildly expensive, the RP6 brings the fun back. If you want a device that you can tinker with and genuinely enjoy without feeling guilty about the price, this is the one to get.